women are really good when things are tough. We know how to do a plan B and a plan C, and maybe it's a plan D. And we know how to be scrappy and conserve money and to make hard choices and yet still be there for our teams. And I think that's something that we really need in biotech.
I think female leadership has different way to lead companies. We have a sense of taking more risk. There is more men in the world of CEO right now. And so we have this group of female CEO scientists really motivated to make a difference.
It's diversity in leadership and thought and incredibly talented people who can make a difference in bringing life-changing therapies to patients.
They bring a real empathy, which is essential for any kind of drug discovery or development. I think that paired with real killer instincts, I think that's a real awesome combination.
Women make the majority of healthcare decisions in this, in our world. Women do the majority of caregiving in this world, caring for sick children, sick parents. And so we need to have medicines that can help women and can help all of us.
I've made a really strong effort to try to hire other women leaders in my company. So our company is actually more than 60% female. For me, I didn't have a lot of female role models in these kinds of professional positions growing up, and I think it's our responsibility now to do something different for the next generation.
Trust them. I think we have a lot of idea, a lot of energy, a lot of resilience.
We need to do more to educate women about the kinds of career options that exist in this field. Those are the kinds of issues I think that we need to combat.
I think it starts as early as kindergarten, making sure girls know that science, math, computers are every bit as accessible to them as they are to their male counterparts.
Focusing on not really judging, a book by its cover and not having a set framework for what a strong leader looks like, but really encouraging diverse perspectives.
I think we just continue to open doors. And if they can't go through the door, let them go through the window. We have to continue to support women in the field and enable them to do their best work.
I think it's just allowing everybody to be their authentic selves. I do think women sometimes feel a little bit more constrained because they're more examined, just based on the world we live in. So I've really tried to encourage people to let it fly.
Exactly. Yep, so if you still have that in your freezer box, you can use it. Just make sure to
Believing in yourself and pursuing your dreams no matter what, and having that resilience is incredibly important for women, for people of color, from any minorities or marginalized populations, or people who just don't feel like they belong. I have faced a lot of challenges, but I have been able to overcome them.
Having a community of colleagues that you can turn to when the days are dark and the times are tough is just incredibly helpful to being able to realize your real potential.
So I've had to learn to, be confident in my abilities and put myself forward. Men are just more likely to just jump in, and women, we want to be a little more prepared before we're jumping in.
I think one of the most powerful tools we have is the CEO sisterhood, because now we help each other with everything. Having that network like that helps you get through all the ups and downs of the job. And I think that's like our power, our secret power weapon.